My name is Christopher Schardt. I am an LED sculptor, and I created this piece, which is called Nova. It is here at the Renwick Gallery as part of an exhibition called No Spectators, The Art of Burning Man. I started doing LED work in 2013, but 2015 is when I made my first LED piece for Burning Man, and that's the one I'm most well known for, which is called Firmament. It's a 52-foot diameter dome of LEDs, 21,600 of them. This piece is called Nova, and I built it just for its own sake, but then I realized when I was done, oh, it's a scale model of Firmament. This piece is 10 feet across, and the LEDs are about that big. In Firmament, it's 50 feet across, and the LED is about that big. So it ended up being this pretty much perfect scale model of the big piece. We're trying to set up that immersive experience that people enjoyed at Burning Man by having 4 speakers in this room surrounding everyone with classical music at, fairly high volume, so they can't hear anything else. And we actually have here a rug for people to lie down on, and I hear there are these cushions that look like stones that people can lie down on. So we're going to see if Washington, D.C. will lie down on the floor for art. I would love it if they would give it some time, if they would immerse themselves, if they would sit or lie down and just be here a while and see what moves them. There's lots of different pieces. There's about 2.5 hours of very classical pieces and one modern piece. I'm very pleased that in addition to making my own pieces, I also created the iPad app that controls this, all my pieces. It's called LED Lab. Anyone can use it, and I'm very pleased to know that I have thousands of users worldwide. I'm very, very excited, not only for the honor of being here, but I'm also very excited to see the effect of Burning Man art on the wider world. I think we're moving towards having art is kind of, if not self-explanatory, at least you get something out of it just from your first view. You don't have to have it explained. You don't have to have a complicated, rational justification. The tradition at Burning Man is the art lives and dies on what it is, not what you say it is. And so I'm really thrilled that we are having this infectious effect on the art world. And a show at the Smithsonian, of course, is a huge part of kicking that forward.